And we're pleased to invite Matthew Wittstein from kinesiology. The topic of Matthew's research is heart-lungs movement, connecting all the dots to better health.
Right now, everyone in this room is doing something remarkably complex. We're all breathing, our hearts are beating, and we're able to sit upright or stand upright without even thinking about it. With 206 bones, over 600 muscles, and millions of neurons in the body, our body systems are able to interact with each other, resulting in functional or dysfunctional movement. My research aims to understand the relationship between these systems so we can better characterize functional and dysfunctional health. Now, how many of you know somebody that's experienced a heart attack? How about lung disease? A stroke? Maybe someone's been diagnosed with cancer. The Centers for Disease Control has identified heart disease, lung disease, stroke, and cancer as the 4 leading causes of death in the United States, accounting for over 50% of all deaths. Now, what's interesting is that we never really talk about how heart disease might affect other aspects of our health. For example, somebody that has a heart attack is also going to exhibit impaired ability to exercise. They may not be able to walk as much. They're going to have problems with their mental health, such as depression and anxiety. What's really interesting, though, is that the CDC actually recommends exercise as a rehabilitative or preventive measure for each of these 4 top killers. The purpose of my research is to understand the physiological coupling of these systems so we can better characterize healthy and unhealthy function. By simultaneously measuring the heart rate, respiration rate, and movement patterns in individuals while walking on a treadmill, we can analyze the patterns of those systems. Then, by asking our healthy participants to synchronize their foot patterns with a blinking metronome, we can see how changing one of those systems ultimately affects the other 2. By continuing this research with healthy and with aging and unhealthy populations, we can then develop a framework that allows us to look at the diverse effects of disease and aging. The long-term goals of my research are to develop assessments and rehabilitations that are able to view disease, view people holistically. And I believe that by combining our efforts in these fields, being able to look at heart health, lung health, movement health, even our mental health, I believe that is how we will connect all the dots to better health. Thank you.